Hello, good morning. My name is Gentility, and this morning I'm going to teach you on how you can upload your CorelDRAW file to Google Drive, both your CorelDRAW file and your PNG file. Saving your work online will help you to secure your work in case if your system crash or you lost your system. But when you save it online, it is safe and secure. So I'm going to show you how you can. There are two ways to upload your file in Google Drive. Number one is to upload it manually from your desktop to the drive. Number two is to download Google Drive for Windows. So we are moving to the first step. Now you can log into your Firefox or Chrome. Once you log in, just type www.google.com. Then when Google open, now you click here. Then when you click here, you will sign in your Google account. Just sign in and put your password. You see I have added my account already, so you can click add account, then you type in your email and password and sign in. Do you understand? I'm going to just sign into this my Google account, TEAMCSG Tech Hub. So immediately I sign in, the next step is for me to open this Google app. It is called Google app. If you open this Google app, you now open Drive. Just click on it. Click on it, and once this drive open, you now create a folder where you can be saving your work. You can say this is I can create a folder and name it my graphics project or my graphics work. So in that project, I will have the raw file and the exported PNG file. So you click on new. Here, this is new. That's a folder is where you save your work. If you click on new, that's a new folder. It's going to show you just something like this. New folder. You type it. I can just type it. My graphics projects. Right. So once you type this my graphics project, you create. It's going to create a folder. You understand? Like when you open your own Google Drive, it might not be the same like my own, because my own, you can see I have many things here I save in my Google Drive. TEAMCSG business, TEAMCSG members, video editing class, web class. I used to save all my work in Drive. Even in the next 20 years, all this thing is safe here. Even if I lost my system, it is safe here. So now I'm going to open this my graphics project. Can you see it? Then I'm going to drag my CorelDRAW file in my desktop. That is the work I have done, that is my desktop. I'm going to drag it to this drive. So what am I going to do? You can see this my Jota design. Can you see it? So this is a Jota I designed for somebody. This is the raw file. That is the CorelDRAW file. If I open it, you can see the CorelDRAW file, right? Then you can see the IMG, that is the logo I used in designing the Jota, and you can see the export, the PDF export. Like after I designed it in CorelDRAW, I now export it as PNG. I send it to the person and also print the Jota for the person. Then you can see the cost. So here is very important. Costing is very important. There are sometimes there used to be change in market price. That's why any work I do or print for somebody, I will write the total cost, like the thing for everything. So the total cost will help me. If somebody needs this thing in future, I can just check the total cost here and know what to tell to my new customer. You understand? I will also verify from vendor, those that sell paper, printer, to know if there is a slight change in market price, because price used to change. So each of my work have the cost. So if you also want to learn on how you can cost your work, like graphics work, like flyer, banner, poster, complimentary card, receipt, Jota, and many other things, if you want to learn how to cost it, you just chat me up. I'm going to teach you. You understand? I'm going to teach you on how you can cost your work. And this is a program for my graphics student, my registered graphics student, and I'm going to teach you everything, because I have almost 7 years experience in printing and publication, 4 years experience in graphic design. Now, if you go back, we are going to drag this file to my Google Drive, like the folder itself. and you can see the folder is in the desktop. Can you see? And everything about that CorelDRAW is inside here. You understand? So to save my stress, I'm not going to drag it one by one. I will just drag the folder straight from here. I will drag it, go to my Firefox, you see it, and now drop it in this folder I created, which is my graphic project. Immediately I drop it, you see uploading item, uploading 0 of 14 item. Do you see? So you are going to leave it to upload. After everything upload, then you can see your work will be saved inside this Jota design. Like can you see all this thing is now saved in this my Jota design. So with this, my work is saved. Even in the next 24 years, I can come. If somebody needs Jota, I'll just come here, select the type of Jota the person needs, and I can use it as a template in future. You understand? And I also instruct all my graphics designers. They are going to submit each of their projects. Their training is 16 weeks, that is 4 months. Each week they are going to submit their design in our Google Drive, TEAMCSG Google Drive, so that after their training they can say this is the total work this person have done. I cannot just give you a certificate after your training. I will give you a certificate when I see the work you have done. You understand? A certificate you can defend. So that's why each of our training you have to be practicing always, and make sure you save your work in the Google Drive. If you have any question, you can chat me up through my WhatsApp number 08101228703. Chat me up so that I can, explain everything for you. Then the second step of saving your work in Google Drive is number 2 is you have to download. Go to Firefox, download. Just type Google Drive for Windows. That is Google Drive for Windows or for desktop. You understand? Once you click on Google Drive for desktop, you can see you download Google Drive for desktop. So here you can download and install it in your system. Once you install it, the thing is going to sync with your hard disk. Now if I press Windows E, that's minimize. If I click on file manager, my file manager, you can see this is my PC, that is my hard disk, and you can see in this hard disk I have my C, that is the main hard disk, and I have my G, that is Google Drive. So I'm saving my work directly to this Google Drive. I don't even need to stress myself. I just click on this Google Drive and open my drive. Can you see it? You see everything, all my work, my project, my PDF, everything is secure here. So even if I want to do anything or my system crash, I'm not afraid of anything. So in order for you to do this one, you have to download Google Drive for desktop. That is the second way of uploading your work. So any work I copy and save here, in as much as my network is on, you can see my Wi-Fi is on, it will be uploading automatically by itself and sync with the Google Drive. So like now I can just open here and just drag any work here and put it here. They are all the same thing. You can just drag any work from this and put in this my drive. It will copy. Do you understand? And it will still upload. You can see the costing. So total cost, that is the total cost for 100 copies of Jota, which I created. Do you understand? So if you want to learn on how to cost, I will still teach you. So that is the 2 ways of saving your work in Google Drive. And if you want to join our physical training class, please come to Cook Center INT Enugu. And for my students that want to join online, you must have laptop. If you want to be teaching you graphics online, you must have laptop. Thank you. Our next class we are going to learn on how you can design a very good flyer, Jota, complementary card using a good the color theory. So we are going to apply color theory principle in our next class. Thank you so much. Gentility.